Hello, welcome to the miniature world of Kit and Caboodlers.
We are a mother-daughter team who spend our time searching various places around Britain, such as beaches and woodlands, for old, forgotten treasures.
We then bring these treasures home to create miniatures and dolls for our handmade 1940s sugar box doll's house.
Come along and see what we made this time.
And as always, we hope you enjoy.
This week we're going to be making some things for our kitchen and putting the things in that we found while mudlarking as well. So that's very exciting. Well, we're going to be crafting a few more things today, smaller things. I'm also going to be showing you the things we found mudlarking to put in the kitchen and setting it, which is exciting. Yeah, fairly high. Because
There?
yeah. So these are some of the things that we found for all the dolls' houses. There's quite a lot there.
There's a lot, yeah. For the doll's house kitchen specifically.
Yeah, no, there's more things for the actual house.
Well, some of it we've made. We didn't find this small pumpkin, but we did find this pumpkin lid, and then we made a pumpkin pot, almost like Le Creuset, that is in a film either on our main channel.
You made that pumpkin too with the old nail, the same one.
Oh yes, it's an old nail stem.
And the broom. You
And
made
the broom.
But that's quite interesting, isn't it?
Yes.
When you found that, you were convinced it was a tiny stoneware bottle, weren't you?
Yes.
And it is.
We think it might be, yes, because of something we bought recently. Probably give you a sneak peek. So we recently made a purchase that we will show on this channel in a while, of a antique 1930s doll's house full of its contents.
Yeah.
And it's just the most amazing thing. But inside were these, which are two tiny stoneware bottles, like the full-size ones we find. Obviously this is not a full-size one, it's a small one, but there are some doll's house equivalents, which are just magnificent. And if you look at the one that I found on the beach, it looks just like an extra specially tiny version. So I'm convinced that is what I found. They're just so amazing. So yeah, this is just a sneak peek of the sort of things that are in this 1930s doll's house.
We're going to make it maybe a special,
Yeah.
like once every month or something, show you the progress of it, because it needs renovating.
So yeah, let us know in the comments below if you'd be interested in that. Yeah, that's that tiny stoneware bottle. Various cups and
There's
plates,
a lot of cups.
of course. Jugs. Beautiful pewter jug spittoon. So yeah,
Pewter lid.
Oh yep, a pewter lid. These are our favourite things to find, aren't they? Doll's house related pewter things. You can find some amazing things.
And a little decorative plate.
With leaves on. So magnificent. And then this little tiny dolls, but probably for a bigger doll, tin enamel tray.
Thought we'd keep all our cups in here. We have plans for a tea party in the main house, so we're going to pile all our cups up in here for now. There's a lot.
Tiny end of a broken toothbrush, which looks perfect as a floor scrubbing brush. So I have a random selection of things here, and I'm going to turn this into a little shelf of hanging kitchen utensils. These things. And then I need something to go on the end of this spoon. That's too big. Does that look like a...
Yeah, sort of a decorative wood, like a love spoon.
Maybe not. Just have to be another one of these. Where should I put it? There?
I can't really see. Filming. I trust your judgment. It'll smell nice in there.
It will smell delicious, won't it?
It smells really nice.
Smells lovely.
Yeah, they've made everything smell nice. Just trying to see where I put them. Just what way we put them.
Bucket, and we were very kindly sent a large selection of the sort of morning glass French jet buttons and beads that we find, and we thought that some of them would be excellent as coal in the coal bucket with the coal scoop.
That's a good start.
Bucket of shiny black coal. Got some food here. We've got a little ceramic sweet corn, a plastic strawberry found on the beach, and a glass bead with corroded metal that looks like a persimmon, a apricot, a peach, some sort of fruit. This little broken ceramic spoon that looks like a one of those old mixing bowls.
Mixing bones?
Yeah.
So there's a tiny black glass blob as a cat curled up in a basket. We're not doing that at this moment because we're going to have a pet episode where we make lots of different pets, because Kate's going to make a bird cage for the kitchen too.
Yes, because my bird cage broke.
Yes, it fell apart.
I dropped it.
But we know how to do it better this time, don't we?
I do, yes.
So there will also be a bird in here. Cats and birds, what a great mixture, and a mouse. And maybe even a pig.
Possibly a pig, although that might go in the garden.
Yeah, so it's all evolving. It'll just keep evolving. We'll keep adding things.
There's one thing missing in this kitchen though, which I'm going to quickly make now.
What's missing?
I'm going to say another random selection of metal. See if you can guess what I'm going to make. So if you guessed genie lamp, you are correct.
It's a teapot.
It sort of looks like a teapot. I think the spout is too big, but I'll keep an eye out for a better one.
Well, that's the kitchen done to that point. We've sort of done things a bit wrong. We're learning this process. We suddenly thought, we said earlier that we still had things to make. I think we got a bit excited to put the things in a bit too early.
We did, yes. We forgot we were going to make a chair. We're going to finish the cat in the basket.
Make a bird cage.
Make a bird cage. And then obviously make the cook.
Oh, and there was something else that we had to make. Oh, scales.
Oh, scales, yeah. Because we've got some little things that look like weights.
So we're going to make some little scales. So that's what we'll... Next week might be the animals.
Yes, probably.
We'll do animals.
Bird cage.
There might be a pig too.
Making a cat. Yeah.
Yeah, so next week will be animals. Then the week after that will be all the last little things you need to make. Mm-hmm. And then the week after will be the doll.
The chef. And we've left a little space in the corner and we've bought some wonderful doll stands. So she will be standing in the corner because it's such a small kitchen. She'd block everything if she was in the middle of the room.
But we put Nurse Lark in there, didn't we?
We did.
Sort of the same size, and yeah, it works.
So if you have any suggestions for chair, we'd love to hear, because we're still sort of trying to think. I mean, it's just wood, but if anything to make it a bit more exciting, we'd love.
I thought metal, but that doesn't really fit in, does it?
No. We've got an idea for a pin and thread chair in the study, which will be a future project. But yeah, the kitchen doesn't.
Yeah, the kitchen chair is a bit difficult, isn't it?
Yeah, so we hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for... Are we on 3,000 subscribers?
Yes, we are on 3,000.
Crazy. So we have to say a massive thank you. It took us years to get to 3,000 subscribers on our other channel, so we just have to say a massive thank you for your wonderful support. Yeah, just thank you so very much for all your likes and comments as well.
And if there's anyone that's on this channel and only just discovered this channel, don't know what we actually do, if you look, there's a link to where we find all the things we make the things from, if you would like to go and look at that channel too.
Yes. So we hope you have a wonderful rest of the week, and we'll see you again soon to carry on building this kitchen that's already quite full.
That's what they're supposed to be.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Bye.